Good morning to all. My name is Sharwin. I study grade 2C. My class teacher name is Ritika ma'am. Today I am going to tell you a funny and interesting story called Elephant and the Ant. I hope you enjoyed.
Sure.
Once upon a time, in a big forest, there lived a proud elephant. He was big, strong, and loved to show off. One day, he saw a group of ants walking in the line, laughed and said, "Look at the tiny creatures, were so small and weak." Then he sprayed water on them with his trunk and stopped around carrying them. The ants were upset. They said, "You may be big, but that doesn't mean you can bully us." The next day, while the elephant was sleeping, ants crawled into his trunk, started taking him from inside. Elephant woke up, sneezing and shouting, "Achoo! Achoo! Stop! Please stop!" The ants came out and said, "Now you know even the smallest can teach a lesson." Elephant felt sorry and said, "I'm sorry for being mean. Let's be friends." From that day onwards, Elephant and the ant became good friends. Moral of the story: never underestimate anyone, no matter how small they are. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.